with a dedicated GPU. Naturally, the first tests I conducted were gaming ones. The clipboard and its Skylake processor have more than enough power to make Hearthstone fly, even at full resolution. Plugging the display into the keyboard base unlocks even more performance from the dedicated GPU. With the discrete graphics chip in tow, the Surface Book can play Rocket League at 30 frames per second, FPS, in full screen and medium settings. For more serious games, like Metal Gear The Phantom Pain, I was able to get it running between 24 to 29 FPS, but only after dropping the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and practically turning off all the settings. Microsoft's first laptop won't be replacing your PC gaming rig anytime soon, but it's surprising how well this machine gets along with only 1 GB of video RAM. Of course, all this power also makes the Surface Book a productivity beast that easily takes on task after task. Lightroom runs incredibly fast on this 13-inch laptop, thanks to the added power of the NVIDIA graphics. What's more amazing is I'm able to edit photos quickly while I have a browser full of 10 tabs and streaming video pushed over to a connected monitor. The Surface Book has broken all sorts of benchmark speed record, thanks to its hot new Intel Skylake and NVIDIA GeForce chipset. Just in terms of processing power alone, its 301 points in bench score is a significant jump compared to the Dell XPS 13, which ran with a last-generation Broadwell Intel Core i5 chip. Thanks to the extra boost from the discrete graphics chip, the Surface Book also has more than double the performance for gaming. This is evidenced by its 1868-point Firestrike score compared to the Dell's 739-point performance. The only figure I can draw to compare this machine to the 15-inch MacBook Pro is the Geekbench score. In the multi-core test, Microsoft's laptop finished with 6,635 points, whereas two outlets saw the 15-inch Apple's Steely Steed completed the test with an average of 14,258, an unsurprising result, considering the MacBook Pro has twice the number of processor cores.